Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Leonardo AI Canvas in 2026. So if you want to edit images, expand artwork, add new elements, or make AI-powered changes to your creations, the Canvas tool is one of Leonardo AI's most useful features. First, sign in to your Leonardo AI account and open your dashboard. Once you're logged in, locate and open the Canvas workspace. Next, upload an existing image or start with a blank canvas, depending on the type of project you want to create. After that, take a moment to explore the available tools. You'll typically find options for painting, erasing, image expansion, object replacement, and AI-assisted editing. After completing your project, use any available enhancement or upscale options to improve image quality before saving. Finally, download the finished image and keep experimenting with different editing techniques. So the more you use Canvas, the better you'll become at creating professional-looking AI artwork and image edits. And that's it. That's how to use Leonardo AI Canvas in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.